All right, big breaking news coming in from Mumbai. 4 private hospitals in Mumbai have been served with show cause notice for functioning at 20 to 40%. Hinduja Hospital, Leelavati Hospital in Bandra, Bombay Hospital at Marine Lives and Jaslok Hospital at Pedder Road. This after a team which was headed by the Health Minister Rajesh Tope conducted a surprise check at night in the private hospitals. 53 private hospitals in Mumbai were expected to give at least 12,000 beds for COVID-19 patients. However, it has been found that 53 hospitals have only set aside 2,400 beds and around 420 ICU beds for COVID patients. This is a cause of massive concern of these private hospitals. They're in violation of the rules that have been set by the government, the hospitals. At these hospitals, and we've been hearing from Mumbaikars as well as to how there is no availability of beds from COVID-19 patients. On Mumbai, on one side, has the highest number of coronavirus cases. People in South Mumbai as well are struggling to find themselves a place or a bed in the top hospitals in the city. And then you have private hospitals like Hinduja, Leelavati, Bombay Hospital, Jaslok, all flouting the government notification or the norms set by the state government as well. That's the latest that is coming in at the moment. Prominent hospitals found to be in violation with regard to COVID-19 treatment. This is going to remain our top story. We're getting a reaction coming in from Rajesh Tope, who conducted a surprise check at these hospitals. Let's listen into what he has to say.
कल हमारी जो पर्सनल मेरी विजिट रही, मेरे साथ सुधाकर शिंदे जो सक्षम अधिकारी है, कॉम्पिटेंट अथॉरिटी है, वे मेरे साथ थे। हमने देखे कि कई उसमें कमियां हैं इम्प्लीमेंटेशन में, जैसा कि वहाँ पर बोर्ड लगाया गया नहीं है, चार्जेस का बोर्ड लगाया गया नहीं है और कुछ पेशेंट्स को वहाँ पर बेड्स उपलब्ध नहीं किया जा रहा था। हमने वहाँ पर बेड्स तो उपलब्ध किए, लेकिन उनको हमने नोटिस भी जारी किया है कि एक शो कॉज नोटिस है कि ये हम बिल्कुल सहन नहीं करेंगे। अगर आपने ये बेड्स जो कायदे से हक बनता है गवर्नमेंट का 80% बेड्स विद कैप्ड चार्जेस, वो देना जरूरी है, वो देना चाहिए आपने। अगर नहीं करेंगे आप तो कायदे से कार्रवाई हम जरूर।
All right, Tanushree is breaking the story on India Today. This is a story which is of a big concern to Mumbaikars as well. Tanushree, you have been speaking to a lot of Mumbaikars in the past couple of days. I've been speaking as well. They have one complaint that they are made to wait despite there being capacity at these hospitals as well. The government has rightfully gone ahead and issued a show cause notice. One, has the hospitals responded to this show cause notice? And B, the rates fixed by the government for COVID-19 treatment, have these hospitals displayed that as well?
That's right, Chetty. In fact, as we all know, Mumbai is the worst affected city due to COVID-19 and it's now emerging as the global hotspot for coronavirus. And that's why the government hospitals and the government facilities were badly hard-pressed in Mumbai. And that is the reason Maharashtra was the first state to rope in all the private hospitals, and there was a protocol being said that all the private hospitals in the city and in the state of Maharashtra have to reserve at least 80% of their bed facilities, including the ICU beds, for COVID patients, and they have to set aside they have to set aside 20% to 30% beds for the non-COVID patients. Now, surprise checks were being done by Health Minister Rajesh Tope day before yesterday, day before the cyclone Nisarg made a landfall in Mumbai, and in a late night check, what Health Minister found out that the private hospitals were working to only 20% to 40% of the capacity. Many renowned hospitals, including Hinduja Hospital, Leelavati Hospital, Bombay Hospital and Jaslok Hospital, 4 popular private hospitals in Mumbai, were they only had reserved 40 to 90 beds for COVID patients, and this includes the ICU bed. Whereas they have a capacity of more than 500 to 600 beds. So yes, definitely all these hospitals were found to be flouting the rules and not following the directives given by the state government. And Chetty, at this point of time, when the government hospitals and doctors are extremely hard pressed, they are overwhelmed with the kind of cases they are getting, and the private hospitals were expected to give at least 12,000 beds to the state government and help the state government hospitals, but the private hospitals have failed in helping the state helping share the workload of the government hospital. And as of now, the 53 hospitals in Mumbai could only provide 2,400
Yes,
beds
absolutely.
and
Tanushree,
420
this is
ICU
the
beds.
problem that South Mumbai is facing. Whether it is KEM, whether it is JJ, these are the government hospitals which are based out of South Mumbai, overflowing with capacity. But then you have private hospitals in South Mumbai like Hinduja, Jaslok, Bombay Hospital. They are working with 20 to 40% capacity, as pointed out by Health Minister Rajesh Tope as well. We're waiting for a response now coming in from these hospitals as to why is it that they're not in line with the government set guidelines as well. Thanks, Tanushree, for getting us all those details on this story.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.